Hello everyone, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to install Instagram on your iPad. It's a pretty straightforward process, but there are some key things you need to be aware of to make sure everything works smoothly. Now, you might have heard or noticed that Instagram doesn't have an official iPad app, and that can be a bit confusing. But don't worry, we'll cover everything you need to know. First off, let's address the fact that, yes, Instagram can be installed on your iPad. The issue is that the developers of Instagram haven't created a separate app specifically designed for the iPad's user interface. This might seem a bit odd considering how popular the iPad is, but for whatever reason, it hasn't been done. Instead, the only option available is to use the Instagram app that's made for the iPhone. This means that when you open the app on your iPad, you'll notice it doesn't quite look the way you'd expect an iPad app to look. What happens is that the iPhone app is simply zoomed in to fit the larger screen of the iPad. This isn't ideal because you end up with black borders around the screen, and the overall user experience isn't as smooth or visually pleasing as you'd get with an app designed specifically for the iPad. But if you still want to use the app, this is how it's going to look. Now, one common point of confusion when trying to find Instagram in the App Store on your iPad is not being able to locate it. This confusion usually comes from the filtering options within the App Store. When you search for an app, the store might default to showing only iPad apps. Since Instagram doesn't have a dedicated iPad app, it won't appear in the search results. To get around this, you need to change the filtering option to include iPhone apps as well. Once you do that, you should see Instagram pop up in the search results. And from there, you can download and install it just like any other app. Besides using the iPhone version of the app on your iPad, there's another option you might consider. You can actually browse Instagram in full screen within any web browser on your iPad. This might be a more suitable option for some people, especially if you prefer not to deal with the zoomed-in app experience. In fact, in one of my other videos, I suggested this as a viable alternative for anyone wanting to use Instagram full screen on their iPad. It's not perfect, but it's a workaround that gets the job done. I know this situation isn't ideal. We'd all love to have a dedicated Instagram app that takes full advantage of the iPad's capabilities, but for now, we have to work with what's available. Hopefully, Instagram will eventually release an app specifically designed for the iPad, but until then, these are the best options we have. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. I really appreciate your support, and I'm always here to help you navigate any tech challenges you might face. See you guys later.